Hi, Janet here from Port Monkeys, and we are on the top of Diamond Head Crater. See that? In Waikiki, Honolulu, Hawaii. We hiked up to the top, and it was not easy. It was not an easy hike, but I mean, you could see a long way from up here. Of course, that's Waikiki Beach down there. There's the Royal Hawaiian. Concert place, lighthouse over here. There's bunkers down below me. World War II bunkers, we'll call them. Like that one over there. Of course, we walked from over there somewhere, all the way around, through that tunnel, and up here. And there's a certain amount of stairs,
about 2,000,
and a certain amount of path. Sidewalk.
Good.
So
This was a hard hike.
it was tough. It was a tough hike.
Maybe because we hiked up the other thing yesterday and we got tired.
Oh, good on you. Good on
So, but now we're here, and Janet's glad she came. I think. I know I am. This is a view that yesterday, and you can see it in another video, we hiked up the Punchbowl. It's across the way, but it's not as high. And it's got a cemetery in it. This one has weeds in it and a big building. So, but yeah. If you want to go to Hanama Bay, it's on the other side of that little hill there, I believe. So, if you want to go to Tahiti, it's that way. If you want to go to Australia, it's that way. I got that off that sign right there.
Tahiti first, then
Anyway, I mean, look at the color of the ocean out there, right?
Sydney? So, from Diamond Head Crater and Diamond Head Lookout, this is Gareth and Janet saying Port Monkeys out. Hi.
See you in the next port. Bye.
After